Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the neighborhood.
People love us.
What's up, guys? It's Chester from McPherson Racing. I've gotten all the components in for my hydraulic handbrake, and I got it all from Drift Headquarters, and it's a hydraulic handbrake and dual caliper mount setup. What the kit came with was the Sicky handbrake handle, Willwood master cylinder and calipers, 4-piston, brake line kit and hardware, and then billet aluminum brackets to mount the calipers and the handbrake. I had mine custom nickel plated for a little bit extra shine and corrosion protection. But boy, is it shiny! Also includes brake pads.